Elon's goal was an unconstrained rethink of the pickup truck, with more utility than a regular full-size pickup truck and driving dynamics to match a Porsche 911. The basic design and engineering of a pickup is effectively identical to what it was 70 years ago.
Get out of the way!
The Cybertruck exists! It's real. And the most insane thing you're going to learn today is that its exterior is actually the least outrageous part of Tesla's newest creation. If you look at this shape and think, man, that is a middle finger to the establishment, just wait till you find out what's underneath.